I actually started my journey years and years ago reselling products on eBay. I specifically was selling Yu-Gi-Oh cards on eBay. I would go to things like garage sales. I would find old Yu-Gi-Oh cards people are getting rid of. I would pull some packs. I would sell some of those, put them on eBay. So, everybody wants a Blue Eyes White Dragon back in the day. I had tons of them. I would just list them on there, put them up there, $15 plus shipping to get the Blue Eyes White Dragon. If I buy an entire crate of cards and I get 4 of those, fantastic. I make my money back. That's the primary thing of how I got started. And then I moved into, unfortunately, drop shipping as a thing on Shopify. Did that for a while. Then I went into wholesale, and then I went into private labeling Shopify, eventually into Amazon side. When you say the thing of like saying, hey, how did I do this? How did I get started as PPC specialist? How did I get started as brand manager? I didn't. I learned it myself. I learned by doing more than anything. And that's, to be honest, the thing that I recommend for anyone. It doesn't matter if you're trying to just be an Amazon PPC specialist or you're just trying to be a brand manager. I'm always going to recommend to learn by doing, especially in e-commerce, because there is so much variability out there as far as everything goes. It does not matter like if you're working on Amazon, if you're working on Walmart, eBay, Shopify, Meta, Google, TikTok, right? There is so much variability in every platform, in every single category, in every single product, every single brand. The big part is just getting reps in to see the patterns, right? And knowing the processes, knowing the SOPs. Now, what I will tell you as well, if you are somebody who is out there right now and you're looking to get into this realm and you have no experience whatsoever, head on over to myamazonguy.com/jobs. We hire interns with zero experience whatsoever. We will take you in, we will train you, we will get you some reps on some different accounts and whatnot. You'll have a direct mentor who teaches you everything you can possibly learn or want to learn on Amazon. And so go over there, check it out. If you want to apply for an intern position, we'll do you an interview, so on and so forth. Maybe you're fit, and that would be great. Otherwise, my best recommendation, like I said, is just find a place where you can get your reps in, right? And get the knowledge and get the basis. Honestly, if you're going for just like a PPC specialist role and you want to work for like one brand, I would honestly start by just like taking all of the Amazon courses, then taking all of our Mag School courses, get yourself Amazon PPC certified. That'll help you land a job. And then from there, you can work with a couple of small brands. So that's kind of the basis, I would say, for most people.